Today's topic is nets. It's a very important topic in mathematics. It introduced in O level in 2018, and before that it was very difficult to find the surface area of the 3D shapes. What is net itself? Net is basically a 2D diagram of a 3D shape. Why we use net? Because it is useful to find the surface area of 3D shapes. We have many 3D shapes. Some are rectangular box or cuboid. Just any room, we are sitting here in a room, it has 6 faces, 4 walls and roof and this floor. So 6 faces includes, that is called rectangular box or cuboid. Another very important shape, that is called cylinder. And then we have cone, and then prism, and then pyramid. All these shapes are 3D shapes, and if we have to find the surface area of these diagram, then we can take help from the nets. We can open the shape and we can obtain the nets, and then we can find the area of all faces of the 3D shapes, and we can add together all the areas to get the surface area of 3D shapes. Basically, in 3D, we never use the word area. Area is used in 2D. In 3D, instead of area, we use surface area. So, first of all, we must know what is the area of triangle and what is the area of rectangle, because most of the time we have to use these areas in finding the surface area of 3D shapes. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth and area of a right angle triangle equals to half into base into height. This is the right angle triangle, this is the right angle, this is height, this is base. So we can find its area by using the formula half base into height. But if it is not a right angle triangle, then we can find area of a non-right angle triangle by using the formula half into base into height. And here height would be perpendicular distance like this. Suppose if we have a triangle ABC whose base is, for example, 10, and we are given this perpendicular height which is equal to 8. How can we find its area? Half into base, which is 10 centimeter. We can multiply by 10, and then height is 8, so we can multiply by 8. So in this way we can find the area of any triangle by taking base and perpendicular height, and the answer is 40 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find the area of rectangle by simply length into breadth. This is the 2D shapes. Now, when we have a 3D shape, let me start with the first 3D shape, that is rectangular box. Look at this rectangular box. This is a rectangular box. You come across many times this rectangular box. As I said, this is room. This is a box. You can see we have 6 sides, 6 faces. I have named them 1, and then 2, 3, and 4. And this is the 5th one. and then this is the sixth one. So this is a cuboid or rectangular box which has 6 faces. If I open this and make a net of this, then what will happen? You can see this, and we can easily find its area by adding the areas of all faces. You can check it. This is basically, it consists of 6 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another this 5, and then 6. So we can find area of each side individually, and then we can just add up these areas to get the total surface area of this net. You can just use the diagram here. So the diagram may be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these 2. So these might come here or anywhere here like this. So this is the 5th one, and then 6th one. And this is the folding side. We fold like this. You can check it. These are the folding lines. These are the folding line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can check it. If we fold this like this, this, and this, then we have a rectangular box which has 6 sides. So how can we find its surface area? Just find the area of all 4 sides plus these 2 sides. So in this way we can find area, surface area of rectangular box. We are given the dimension, so we can multiply and we can just use this formula for the area of rectangle. In short, we have a formula for surface area of rectangular box is twice of length, breadth plus breadth, height plus length, height. I suppose that one side is length. For example, this is length. I can take this is length, and we can take this, for example, one side is breadth and one side is height. It is arbitrary. You can take any side as length, breadth or height, or you can take this length, breadth or height. No problem at all. Okay, if I take this height, it will be length, it will be breadth. So in this way we can find its area by using this formula. This is the net of rectangular block. Another example, in 3D shapes, we have another very important example for 3D shapes, that is called cylinder. In cylinder, we have 3 pieces of paper or cardboard, and these cardboard or paper are joined together to make a cylinder like this. Have a look at this cylinder we use normally. At our home we have dustbin, and if it is lit by this one like this, then we have how many faces? We have 3 faces. One is upper circle, one is circle at the bottom, and third one is the curved surface area. So this is a closed cylinder, and we can find its net by opening it like this. You can see it consists of 3 pieces, 2 circles at the top and bottom. You can check it. This is top circle, this is bottom circle. So it consists of 2 circles and 1 rectangle. How? Look at this. I am just opening this cylinder. What you will find it? This is 1 circle. This is another circle you can see. And if I open this one, that is the curved surface area, which is basically a rectangle. A rectangle. So we can find its area by using simple. You can check it. If I just close this, that is called cylinder, and its height is h. and this is circle, we can just have this 2 pi r. So when we open this one, we have a rectangle like this, whose height, breadth is h, and length is 2 pi r, because this is the circumference of the circle. This is circle. If I open this one, we get this length of this rectangle, that is 2 pi r. So if we have to find the surface area of cylinder, then we have to find the area of these three pieces.